International superstar and recording artist Drake touches down in Barbados. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be back with the details of this to come on the program. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. Well, fans of the recording international superstar Drake were very elated after it was announced that the superstar made a touchdown in Barbados after commercial flights were reopened to that country. With the commercial air travel from Canada being the first to land in Barbados at the Grant Adams International Airport on July 12, the plane of Canadian rapper Drake was spotted on the tarmac in Barbados the same day. His sky blue jet with the puffy finish clouds on the outside was also spotted on the Caribbean island over the weekend. Many fans were wondering and speculating whether his intended visit was to take up the offer by Minister Maya Motley offer to work remotely for a year with the Barbados Welcome Stamp Scheme. Photos and videos of the US $185 million plane, Air Drake, were taken on the tarmac and circulated on social media. Some fans of the international superstar did not really believe that the singer was actually in Barbados. However, those rumors were put to rest when a number of locals got a chance to pose with photos with the international singer. Not everyone has welcomed Drake on the local Caribbean island, as some persons have took to social media to express their discontent that he was not placed in quarantine and the fact that he lacked social distance based on some of the videos and photos circulating online, and also some raise an issue about him not wearing a face mask. It's not clear how long Drake will spend on the Caribbean island. However, he's enjoying himself and having a good time with the post-COVID traumatic that we had to undergo. Well, it seemed like Drake still have a good relationship with Rihanna's family after he was spotted hanging out with Rihanna's brother in Barbados. It was also rumored that Drake was spotted hanging out also with the international superstar Rihanna. We'll keep you up to date with this story. Now, this has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we're out for this one once more. We'll keep you up to date with these stories plus more to come on the program.